Hi po! Nandito na naman po ako. Mag-deliver sa message niyo po. Okay. Yung message for today po. Okay. Ito po. Okay. Be clear about where you are putting your focus right now. Focus on your desired outcome. You have everything within to create the life of your dreams. Stop doubting yourself for once. This is your time, we've got you. Ito na yung panahon na maging ka naman, manalig ka naman sa kakayahan mo sa sarili mo. Okay? Kung ano man yung gusto mo yung dreams, sige, pray ka lang. Sasagutin ka naman ni Lord. Diba? But, alam mo na, but if if you're having trouble, na hindi pa medyo klaro yung gusto mo, then ask for guidance. Okay? This is the message is for someone na alam ni Divine Universe na nag-struggle ka kung ano ang gusto mo. Okay? So, I hope you enjoyed this reading. I hope someone can resonate this message. Bye for now!